Okay, this is a new screen recording of the Zadoc website that's live, not the staging site. What we're trying to address is the navigation of going to page 1, 2, 3, 4, going to later pages, going back to previous pages. Something is not working quite right there. To start with, I'm going to navigate to watches, as they are one of the most complete categories of data. Currently, watches has every correct category is up to date, as well as the gender. Watches are the only category at this point where we have gender still listed as an attribute. Everything else, because it's category based, is removed. So we're looking at watches. Scroll to the bottom. Pay attention to the URL. I think that's one of the issues that we're having with maybe some of the other categories. From my test this morning, watches seems to be working the best of everyone, but still having some errors. So you can see we get to page 2 just fine. This changes to page 3. Should. Yes. Page 3. We can get to page 6. Still good. We can even get to later pages, like page 20. This is a category where there actually is a page 20 and more. Most of the other categories don't have that. So now what we're going to try to do is go backwards. So just going backwards one page seems to be just fine. Going back to page 3, an error pops up. Now what's interesting is that you can click OK, and it still navigates to the correct page. We can duplicate it going the other direction as well. Error. Even though I just chose page 19, click OK, and it still gets to page 19. So I'm not sure where the error is in the coding of what's going on.